As you know, SAP has come up with the S4 Hana and keeps updating it with the latest versions. We would think about the functional consultant roles and responsibilities when it comes to the S4 Hana migration, as most of the companies across the globe are migrating their ECC systems to S4 Hana. Today in this video, let us learn functional consultant roles and responsibilities with the S4 Hana migration project. If anybody has not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so that you will never miss the latest updates. As of now, SAP has released 1511, 1610, 1709, 1809, 1909, 2020 and 2021. The S4 HANA migration projects would continue to run till the year of 2025. As part of the migration projects, functional consultants need to work on pre and post migration activities. What is the pre-migration activity? Pre-migration activity is working on the simplification items which have inconsistency errors in ECC system. These items can be found by executing the simplification item check report, that is /sdf /rc underscore start underscore check using SA38 transaction. Working on these inconsistencies in the ECC system are called pre-migration activities. For these, SAP provides the SAP notes for the resolution steps, and if the issue is not resolved, even after following the steps given in SAP notes, an incident needs to be raised to the SAP support team from the support portal using S-user credentials. For example, simplification item master data BP is mandatory, which has to be cleared in order to proceed with the sum tool activity. For this, we need to set up the business partner configuration in ECC system and sync vendor master data and customer master data with business partner using CVA underscore cockpit transaction. For the business partner configuration, you can click on the given iCard link above, or you can find the link in the video description. Once the item list activities are completed as mentioned in the SAP notes, we need to run this report again to check the latest results. Once these inconsistencies are cleared, basis team is good to go ahead with the sum tool activities. What is post migration activity? Working on simplification items in migrated system, conversion of accounting to SAP S4 HANA, performing unit testing to ensure the system is working fine as expected, conducting module wise overview session on the functional changes in S4 HANA system, conducting users training on the changes in S4 HANA system, and supporting the client team on issues encountered in live system. What is the post migration activity for simplification item? Post migration activity for simplification item is working on some of the items which have some steps that have to be followed in the S4 HANA system. For example, adjusting the business partner, customer and vendor number ranges in the S4 HANA as part of the post migration activities. Once post migration activities are completed, we need to perform the conversion of accounting to SAP S4 HANA, which is an FI consultant activity. There are three different activities as part of the conversion of accounting to SAP S4 HANA. They are preparations and migration of customizing, data migration and activities after migration, preparation and migration of customizing. Under this, FI consultant need to set up the required customization. For example, working on preparatory activities for credit management. When it comes to the data migration activity is migrating the FI data after completing the preparation activities. For example, migrating credit management master data to S4 HANA. Under this data migration activity, we need to set migration to completed. Activities after migration is working on the data by coordinating with the client team and taking the decision. For example, completing credit management migration for unmigrated customers. Please make a note that the migration activity takes place for each and every system which is there in the SAP landscape. Before working on these systems, the basis team would build one SBX system by copying the production data so as to find out the inconsistencies and resolution steps. Resolutions will be captured in a TR and later will be moved to the respective systems to save time. So, this is all about the S4 Hana migration project. If you need any assistance with respect to S4 Hana migration, you can mail us at the SAP Consultant 1 at gmail.com for further assistance. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching this video. Shining off.